everybody, my name's Phil. I'm part of the Discovery Voyager team here at UNE, and we've been doing some science stuff online. Well, I hope you've been enjoying all of those things, but I've got something else to do today as well that you can do at home. I'll just show you some of the things that we need, and then maybe I'll pause and you'll be able to go and get stuff yourself. What we're going to be doing is, with a dish or a plate, very thin, and what we're going to do is we're going to make a speedboat on some milk in the saucer. And the speedboat is simply going to be a clip off your bread. Now you can use it as it is, or if you like, you can turn it into a speedboat, or if you like, a rocket. I think of it as a rocket because I'm actually an astrophysicist as well. But this is activity you can do at home, and the other thing you will need is some, not necessary, but it's good to have if you've got some food dye, to have that as well, and some dishwashing liquid, which I'm going to use a little thing in here. So we'll just pause for a moment while I see if you can go and collect your stuff, and then we'll get into it. So the first thing we need to do is just put a thin layer of milk in the dish. So just there, not too thick because we don't want to drown the boat. And then what we do is we take our bread clip and just pop it on one side of it so it's floating in there. Now what we're going to do is shortly we're going to put some dishwashing liquid on one side of it, but so we can have a bit of an idea of what it looks like, I might just put a drop of food dye into the hole in the middle, like so. And you can see already it's starting to come out, but that didn't cause it to move. But if we now take a drop of liquid and put it on the end here in the minor gap, and away it goes. So first thing you might think is, well, the dishwashing liquid is the fuel to make it go, but that's not what's happening. What's happening, I might try put some more in, I hope. Go. And there we go, accelerated again. So what you might think is happening is that by putting the dishwashing liquid there, it makes it go like that. But it's all happening with surface tension. When we first put the clip on in the milk's grabbing it from both sides. But when we put the dishwashing liquid on this end here, the surface tension's not there anymore, so it's unbalanced, and so away it goes. So you might want to see how fast you can make it go as well. Now, I don't know whether it's the shape helps or not, but let's try the next one as well that I've got there. Oh, it wants to stay going, it doesn't want to go straight across. Try again. I'm going to put some drop in there as well. And get some dishwashing liquid. I'll move it around so it's going that way. Put it in the end there. Or not. Okay, let's go big and fun. And away it goes. And notice it's going sideways because most of the dishwashing liquid actually ended up on that side, and that's where the force is no longer, so that's why it moved sideways. So you might want to try it with different shapes as well and see how far, or you might even want to have a race, get one that's been shaped and one's not, and put them together and see if they go together. Anyway, I hope you have fun trying that out, and be nice if you share some of your comments with us as well as to how successful you might have been. Been good being with you. See you next time. Bye.